Expensive, opposite word is inexpensive. That is one thing I wanted to clarify. Second thing is children. Yesterday one more question was there, no? Either this Lata likes to watch cricket, her mother likes to watch cricket. So to join these two sentences, we can use not only but also. So yesterday I have told the same answer, but once more I'm reminding you. That is one more thing. Then third thing is about using of must in direct and indirect speech. So let us suppose that there is a sentence. Akshay told that Akshay told I must score 40 out of 40 marks. Okay, my sentence is Akshay told I must score 40 out of 40 marks. So now how to write it in reported speech? So Akshay told that he in the place of must you have to use had. He had to score 40 out of 40 marks. So in the place of must, in direct speech if there is must, in the reported speech in the place of must you are using had. Okay. Then one important question about this question paper, model question paper, that is about after cutting the hair, how did Della look? One question was there, no? So that should the correct answer there it should be she looked like a truant schoolboy. So in your textbook there are two paragraphs. In one paragraph the author says how did Della look? Okay, and in the very next paragraph the this Della she thinks on her own and she thinks if Jim comes to the flat back, okay, and how would he think of her? What would he feel about her looks? So that was that she told to herself that once Jim comes and if he sees, he would say, I look like a chorus girl, Conic Islands chorus girl. So that is what Della thought of herself about what Jim would say to her. But what did author say about the lookings of Della? So author has said that she looked like a truant schoolboy. So in the model question paper that day while discussing, I have made a mistake. That's why remember. So author's words, okay, author's words about Della's looks. She looked like what? A truant schoolboy. Whereas, what did Della think on her own about what would Jim say after looking her? That is that chorus girl is there. No, Coney Island's chorus girl. I think. Wait a minute. Then one more thing. Yesterday while discussing, she was an elfin pinnace. Okay. So in the class I have given clarification. She was an elfin pinnace. If you take full sentence, that is personification because here she that boat is called by the this poet refers boat as a she means uh, personified it is. That is why she was an elfin pinnace. If the sentence goes like this, it is personification. If only two words, elfin pinnace, are given, then it is metaphor. Okay. So this is one more thing which I wanted to tell you. Yes. Okay. Yes. So all the things are clarified, I suppose. One is about how did Ella look. Okay, that is one important thing. Afterwards, about personification, she was an elfin pinnace. That is important. She was an elfin pinnace personification. Only elfin pinnace, it is metaphor. Then third thing is use of must and had. So in indirect speech, in the place of must, you have to use had. Remember this. Okay. Yes. So with this, let us start today's question paper. Okay. Before that, once I would like to see how many of you have joined the class. Yes. So here I have Anish, Aniket, Anvit answers. Okay. Okay. Shall we begin? Yes. First question. What was Jim's Christmas gift for Della? Yes. Your answer. Akshay.
The set of coins made of
Yes.
tortoise.
Very good. Yes, correct answer is option B, the set of homes made of tortoise shells. That is correct answer. Yes, very good. Many of you have typed the answer. Next question, children. Water in rain-fed tanks get the characteristic color due to. Okay. What is the answer for this? Color of the sky, silt or finely divided soil in suspension. The yes, the color of walls of the tank. Yes, correct answer is option C. Yes. Okay. So in the rain-fed tanks, mud color water will be there. No, that is because of what, children? It is because of the silt or finely divided soil in suspension. Next, how and why did Indra approach Karna? How and why did Indra approach Karna? For this, what is the answer? Yes, I am getting answer as option D. Yes, option D. All are typing it as option D. Yes, Shreya, I found Shreya, I found Ashwit. Yes, yes. See, let us see. Option D. Indra approached Karna as a Brahmin to take his bearings and armor. So option C is Indra approached Karna as a sage to beg for alms. That is not correct answer. Option B is Indra approached Karna as a Brahmin to request him not to fight against Pandavas. That is also not correct. Indra approached Karna as a friend. That is not correct. That's why option D is the correct answer. Next, yes. Question number 4 is what happened? Rainfed? Okay. So the hurrying feet of the girl became less hurried because hurrying feet of the girl became less hurried because the correct answer is Akshay.
The meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful.
The meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful. She was attracted by art. She was trying to rearrange priorities. She became lazy like the idle man. Correct option is yes, as you all have told. Option D, meaningless. Okay, the meaningless was slowly becoming meaningful. Next, question number 5. In the phrase trembling oars, why is the boy trembling? See, for this, two different answers are given. But in Zen, they have given one thing. In KSEEB, they have given one thing. Let us go with KSEEB. It will be what? Yes, it will be safe. It will be safe because he is frightened of the approaching peak, because he is feeling cold, because he is hurt, because of his guilty conscience. Yes, let us go with option A. Okay, let us go here with option A. Guilty conscience is also actually correct answer, but what happens? The guilty consciousness, it came in the form of that peak, no? Yes, that's why we can go with that. Then next question is, children, question number 6, no? Yes, question number 6. You have an interesting face. This sentence is told by dash to dash.
The blind in the train to the Godpur.
Saharan. Saharan. Yes, this sentence is from the lesson The Eyes Are Not Here, written by yes, written by Ruskin Bond. Yes. Okay. So here, as you have told, correct answer is option D. The blind man in the train to the girl going to Saharanpur. Karna to Kunti is not correct. The president to the wrong man in Workers' Paradise. No. Della to Jim is also not correct. Yes. Question number 7. The expression picked up hands and jaws suggests what? It suggests yes. Callousness. Yes, as you have told, it is option B. Option B is correct. You are all typing the answer. Very nice. Okay, option B is the correct answer there. Okay, yes. Then after that, next question. Question number 8. No, Dash was the king of Ithaca in Greece. Who was the king of Ithaca? Was it the Cyclope? Was it Ulysses? Who was that? The king of Ithaca. It was Ulysses. Okay. So Ulysses, not Polyphemus, not Alexander. It was none other than Ulysses, king of Ithaca. Then question number 9. The girl's hair was carelessly done. This indicates that she was unaware of any sense of dressing. She did not take ribbons to tie her hair. She did not like the comb. She did not like to comb her hair. She was interested only in her work. Yes, correct answer is yes. Very good. Option A. She was interested in completing her own work. That is the correct answer. Then, after that, question number 10 children. Louis Pasteur did not discover one of the following. Which one is not discovered by Louis Pasteur? So, he discovered cure for, yes, answer is
Vaccine against smallpox.
smallpox. It was discovered by whom? Vaccine for smallpox was discovered by whom? Can anybody type me the answer? Yes, already you have typed the answer. Dr. Jenner is the correct answer. Pasteurization, cure for anthrax, cure for rabies, all these were discovered by Louis Pasteur. Next one, the line which follows, and it grew both day and night. In the poem, the poison tree is. Till it bore an apple bright, right? What is the option, Akshay?
B.
Option B, yes, all of you have typed the correct answer. Then let us go for next question, children. For all her love, she cannot tell whether I use it ill or well. Who do I and she refer to? Who is I? Who is she here?
To John Massaput and she referred to
His mother. What is the option?
A.
Option A. Yes, all are typing no. Option A is the correct answer. Very good, children. Yes. Now let us go for next question. Question number 13. Yes, question number 13. Heat expands metals. The suitable question tag to be added is heat expands. Heat expands. What is the tense here? Please type me the tense. Heat expands. You have typed me the answer. Yes, that is correct answer. But heat expands. What is the tense here? Simple past, simple present.
Simple
What is
present.
that? Yes, simple present. Heat expands. It is simple present. Very good. Then it is positive sentence. So simple present ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು did, do, does ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Did ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Simple past ಗೆ ಅದು do first person, second person ಮತ್ತೆ third person plural ಗೆ heat third person ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಡಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಡಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಡಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಟು. Yes, cupola of gold. What is the correct answer here? Option C, cupola of gold is the correct answer. Then question number 15. As we were hungry, we stopped by an eatery. The compound form of this sentence. Option. As we were hungry, we were stopped by an eatery. Being hungry, it is a simple sentence. Okay, we were hungry, so we were stopped. So we stopped by an eatery. That is the correct answer. Option C. We were hungry and we stopped by an eatery. That is also okay, but so is there, no? So that's why we will go with so here. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಸುವಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಗಾಯ್ತು. Okay. Option, yes, you all have typed option C is the correct answer there. Then, next question, children. What recompense did Dronacharya ask from Buttu? Yes. Option? Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Then, next question number 17. When he saw her courage, he felt ashamed of his own. Yesterday also, I think we have discussed, no? Opposite word of courage is now. Opposite word of courage is, what is that? Cowardice. What is the option? Option A. A is the correct option. Cowardice is the correct answer there. Okay? Yes. Then, after that, question number 18. See, once again, let us see other options. Encourage is there, silliness is there, discourage is there. Encourage, discourage, both of them are verbs, no? Yes, silliness is also not correct answer. Question number 18. She circled the sky in movements of grace over his disgraceful end. Figure of speech used here is, definitely it is not. Yes, correct answer is, children, paradox, because she circled the sky in movements of grace, okay, over his disgraceful end. Hmm? So, grace, disgraceful, both are contrasting words here. Over his disgraceful end, she circled the sky in movement of grace. So this is paradox, because grace and disgraceful, it is not pair of word here. They have not made a pair of words here. Okay. So it is in the form of a sentence. That is why the correct answer here is paradox, not your oxymoron. Okay. Synecdoche personification simile they have given. Question number 19. Who found Anne Frank's diary? Anne Frank's diary ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು? ಆಟೋ ಫ್ರಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ, ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ, ದ ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಆಫೀಸರಿಗ, ದ ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಮೀಪ್. Yes, the clerk me got the diary of Anne Frank. Even though she did not recognize what was that, she just took it and finally she handed it over to Anne's father. No, when Anne's father opened and read it, he found that it was Anne's diary, right? Me. Then next question number 20. Dash is compared to dirty linen. Dash is compared to dirty linen. It is proud neck of the bird, the material of the bag, the hands and jaws of the bird, the dead body of the bird. Yes, correct answer is option A. Option A, you are telling option A. Proud neck of the bird. Wait. She circled the sky. Smooth of days over his the pillars were new and she flew through the nights. He was picked up. Proud neck of the proud neck, proud neck, proud neck of the bird. Once you just to go, I feel it is proud neck. Question number 20. Yes, is compared to dirty linen. Proud neck of the bird. Answer is proud neck of the bird. Option B. Because see here, let me read out the sentence for you. Okay. In the textbook, in the poem, yes, she flew circling as he was picked up hands and jaws and a proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen. Okay, simile, proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen. That means what, children? Option B is the correct answer. Okay, Rashmi? Rashmi, may I speak to you?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, now you told it is option A, no?
Yes, Mataji. In our notes, it is dead body of the bird.
In KCEB options, is it?
No, Mataji. In our note,
In your
in our
note,
notebook, Nancy sir had given.
dead body of the bird. Okay, that's why you have told. But now, is your doubt clarified?
Yes, Mataji.
So in the poem, okay, in the poem directly it is given, no? So in the poem directly it is given. Let me again read it out. As he was picked up hands and jaws, and a proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen. Proud neck. Okay. So that's why correct answer is option B. Okay. Proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen. Now your doubt cleared? Everybody's doubt cleared? Yes. Then let us go for question number 21 now. Question number 21. Revive means recover. Anguish means distress, angry, shake, attack. Anguish. What's your answer? A, B. Shake is not at all correct answer. D is not at all correct answer. It is option. Yes, let us go with option A, children. Distress. Anguish andre distress anta. ಸಿಟ್ಟುವ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋವಾಗಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋವಾಗಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ we have to choose the most appropriate word. No, if they had not given distress, then we would have gone with what? Angry. Here they have given distress. No, that's why we'll go with that. Then next question, question number 22. The author of the lesson The Gift of Magi is, yes, it is last option, option D. It is O. Henry. Then next one, how would Marian identify the messenger who would come for eel pie? Option is, correct option is Akshay.
He would ask for her hand to be kissed.
Yes, option
C.
C. All have typed option C, no? Yes, good. Then after that, next question, children. Next question is
24.
question number 24. Shakespeare is renowned dash his work. Shakespeare is renowned dash his work and wisdom, the suitable preposition to be filled in. Shakespeare is renowned. Option C, for. For is the correct answer. Option C. Then question number 25. Admit, admission, discover. Discover, please. Discovery. Okay. Nouns. Discovery, option C. Then the future will belong to those who shall have done the most for suffering humanity. These words are the words of M.K. Gandhi, Louis Pasteur, C.V. Raman, Manmohan Singh. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Correct answer is yes, Louis Pasteur. Option B is the correct answer. These are not the words of Mahatma Gandhiji or someone else. It is Louis Pasteur. 27. One word for absence of governmental authority is inscribe, anarchy, anarchy, prudence. Correct answer is, children, anarchy. Anarchy is the correct answer. So in our previous exam also we have this word, no? So lack of conventional behavior would lead to anarchy, moral action. Option C. Okay, here option B also they have given anarchy, but it is with capital letter. That's why let's go with option C. Then question number 28. According to C.V. Raman, what is the principal cause of soil erosion? Afforestation to create civilized forest, deforestation to clear untamed jungle, excessive heavy rain causing large runoff, surplus water, overgrazing by animals. Yes, what's your answer? You have typed it as? Yes, you have typed it as option C. That is the correct answer. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Excessive heavy rain causing large runoff surplus water. Then overgrazing by animals is not the correct answer here. Which one of the words does not belong to the set of given words? You have separate, add, attack, affix.
Separate.
Attach, sorry, not attack. Attach it is. Add, attach. Yes, correct answer is separate. Yes, option A. Add, attach, affix. Again, this is lesson and exercise. This is taken from lesson and exercise. Remember, so there are some 8 questions now like this. So that's why studying the lesson and exercise is quite important. Next, one who makes wine is a winer, scientist, baker, brewer. That day you didn't know the meaning, no? Correct answer is brewer. Brewery is the industry which produces wine. Brewer is the person who produces wine. Next question. Question number 29. 31, sorry. A dollar earned is of far more value than 5 pounds. What does Abraham Lincoln mean by this line? His son must be taught to earn in dollars. His son must be taught to find money. His son must be taught that hard earned money is greater value than.
Easy. Option
Yes.
C.
Option C. Have they typed it as option C? Yes, all have typed it as option C. Then, question number 32. Why did Buttu go to Dronacharya? Why did he go to Dronacharya?
Archer.
Yes, to learn archery is the correct answer. What are the other options? To ask for shelter, to give a message, to pay a cordial visit. No, all these are wrong answers. To learn archery is the correct answer. Let this sum be sum be solved by you. Active voice in madva. Let this sum be solved by you. Option. What they have typed?
Option B. Solve this sum.
Yes, imperative sentence, no? Solve this sum. Go out of the class. Shut the door. Okay? So these are all examples for imperative sentences. Then you have to change it to passive voice by using let. Let the door be closed. That's why. Yes. Next question. Question number 34. Mohan says the teacher is not at home. Reported speech. Mohan says. What is the correct answer? Yes, I want answer from your side now. Option D, option A, option D, you are typing. Option D, you have typed. Option D, option D. Yes, option D. What is option D? Mohan says that the teacher is not at home. Mohan says the teacher is not at home. Mohan says that teacher was agodilla. Mohan said that kuda agodilla. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಮಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚಿನ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸೊ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ is the correct answer. So if anybody has got a doubt about this, please tell me. Now, only 5 questions are there, children. Let us try to solve them. Do you have any doubt? No doubt, no? Do you have any doubt? Option D? No doubt, no? Yes. Question number 35. The director has dashed the proposal. The suitable phrasal verb is turn out, turn in, turn up, turn down. The director has turned down the proposal. The suitable phrasal verb turn down here, not turn out, turn in, turn up. Next, I can't very well be seen carrying an eel pie through the streets of Paris. Can I? Says Gaultier. This shows he was not lazy, he was not wise, he was not foolish. Correct answer is option C. He was too conscious and proud of his position. 37. The doctor is an FRCS, not a FRCS, because FA. Okay, it starts with the sound of a vowel, even though F is consonant, but it starts with the sound of the vowel F. That's why the correct answer is an. So the doctor is an FRCS. FRCS, the suitable article to be filled in the blank is an. The old one among the set of words, the odd one. Here, honest, our, HAIR. About this, I have doubt. They have given HAIR here, but HAIR here, whether it is pronounced with E, about that I have to search. Again, about this, I will give clarification later. Okay? Yes, only one question about which I have to give clarification. One who treats eye disorders is, yesterday we have discussed, ophthalmology is science which studies problems relating to our eyes. Here, correct answer is option
C.
C. It is oculist. Remember, oculist is the doctor of eyes. Okay. Next question. Question number 40. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Chasing after desires creates inner turmoil when the devil becomes guide. Dacoits and gangsters are manufactured. He makes men fight against their souls to survive expensive items, and most lose everything in the face of his strength. The internal enemy can only be overcome by a personal revolution. How are dacoits and gangsters born into society? They are formed by degrees, none of the above. They are formed by birth. They are formed by bad influence, bad thoughts, and desires. So, option C is the correct answer. So, we have discussed all the 40 questions here. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Here, I will explain it to you later. I'll send a message in the group. Okay. So now, any doubt? Once you. Yes. Has anybody got a doubt? Has anybody got doubt? No doubt? Do you have any doubt? Please raise your hand if you have doubt. Please switch on the video. Okay. If you do not have any doubt, then let us end the class here, children. Soumya Mataji, I think she is going to take class. Okay. Thank you.